I'm Chris Guanera, and today I promise to equip you with essential marketing principles you need to successfully promote your drone business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your marketing efforts to the next level, this video will provide you with a solid foundation to grow your business and attract more clients. I am the drone instructor at Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology in Oklahoma City, home to a state-of-the-art drone program. With extensive experience in both drone operations and marketing, I've helped numerous drone pilots enhance their skills and build successful businesses. My expertise spans not only the technical aspects of drone piloting, but also the strategic side of marketing and team building. For example, my YouTube channel has garnered over 34,000 views just this month, and my website receives over 1,000 clicks each week, establishing my credibility and success in the digital marketing space. In this video, I'll walk you through the key marketing principles specifically tailored for your drone business. We'll cover the importance of understanding your target market, creating a strong brand, leveraging digital marketing tools, and implementing effective sales strategies. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your marketing efforts and grow your drone business. Understanding your target market is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. As a drone pilot, it's crucial to know who your ideal customers are, what they need, and how you can meet their needs with your services. In this section, we'll dive into three main aspects: identifying your ideal customers, researching market needs and preferences, and ensuring your services meet those needs. To start, think about the different industries that can benefit from drone services. This could include real estate, agriculture, construction, surveying, and so many more. Each of these industries has a unique need that drones could fulfill. Once you've identified the broad industries, narrow down your focus to a specific niche. For example, within real estate, you might specialize in high-end property photography, while in agriculture, you could offer crop health monitoring. Develop detailed profiles of your ideal customers. Consider factors such as their job titles, the size of their companies, their geographic location, their specific pain points that your drone services can address. For example, a real estate agent looking to showcase luxury homes will have a different need than a farmer needing crop health data. There are plenty of other factors that go into your target demographic, such as their miracles and miseries, as well as psychographic details. It's also important to properly research market needs and preferences. Conduct market research. Use surveys, interviews, and online research to gather data about your potential customers. Ask questions about their challenges, what they look for in drone services, and their budget constraints. Online forums, industry reports, and social media groups can also provide valuable insight. Analyze your competitors. Look at what other drone service providers are offering. Identify gaps in their services that you may be able to fill. Pay attention to their pricing, customer reviews, and also their marketing tactics. Make sure to build relationships. Develop strong relationships with your customers by providing excellent customer service and going the extra mile to meet their needs. This not only helps retain existing customers, but also encourages word-of-mouth referrals. As an example, for real estate agents, you might consider offering a comprehensive package that includes aerial photography, virtual tours, and quick turnaround times. Highlight how these services can enhance their property listings and attract more buyers by thoroughly understanding your target market. You can tailor your marketing efforts to attract and retain your ideal customers. Researching their needs and preferences and customizing your service to meet those needs will set you apart from competition and position your drone business for success. Building a strong brand is essential for standing out in a competitive drone industry. Your brand is more than just a logo or a catchy slogan. It's the identity of your business and how your customers perceive you. In this section, we'll cover three main aspects: developing a unique value proposition, designing a professional logo and visual identity, and crafting a compelling brand story. The first thing we're going to talk about is developing a unique value proposition. Your UVP is what sets you apart from your competitors. Think about what makes your drone services unique. This could be your advanced technology, exceptional customer service, competitive pricing, or specialized expertise in a particular niche. Your UVP should clearly communicate the benefits of your services to your customers. It should answer the question, why? Why should a customer choose your drone business over the others? Make sure that your UVP is concise, clear, and compelling. Create a memorable logo. Your logo is the visual representation of your brand. It should be simple, memorable, and reflective of your business. Consider hiring a professional graphic designer to create a logo that stands out and represents your brand effectively. The next thing you want to do is establish a visual identity. The visual identity includes your color scheme, typography, and overall design aesthetic. Consistency is key here. Make sure that all your marketing materials, from your website to your business cards, reflect a cohesive and professional look. Now, it's also important to craft a compelling brand story. A compelling brand story helps you connect on an emotional level. It should explain who you are, what you do, and why you do it. Share your journey, your values, your mission. Being authentic is key here. People are drawn to genuine stories. Your brand story is also an opportunity to highlight your expertise and experiences. Share stories about a challenging project you've completed, innovations you've introduced, or the impact your services have had on your client. A strong brand story builds trust and credibility. It shows potential customers that you are passionate about your work and committed to delivering high-quality services. Make sure that your story is consistent across all your marketing channels. This is the example that we have on our website. Roofing professionals often encounter significant challenges in considering accurate and timely data for projects. Traditional methods, such as manual roof measurements and visual inspection, not only require considerable time and effort, but also pose safety risks to staff. The need for precise, efficient, and risk-free data collection methods is more critical than ever to stay competitive and meet client demands effectively. Imagine the constraints of relying solely on manual measurements, time-consuming climbs, potential for human error and delays in project estimation, and claims processing. Moreover, in the aftermath of a storm, the ability to quickly identify and assess damage is vital, yet traditional methods do fall short, leading to slower response times and potential loss of business. These inefficiencies can bottleneck operations, impact service quality, and ultimately profitability. Blue Falcon Aerial transforms roofing data collection with our drone and AI-driven solutions. Harnessing our expertise as drone instructors at a major tech institute and our veteran-owned business heritage, our services streamline your operations from custom drone purchasing and tailored training programs to advanced data analysis with artificial intelligence. We enable quick assessments of storm damage and systematic neighborhood scans for potential jobs. Enhance your project planning and estimations with precise measurements and autonomous drone flights, boosting accuracy and efficiency. With Blue Falcon Aerial, integrate cutting-edge technologies to not only meet your current needs, but also future-proof your business. See? Pretty good, huh? So now you clearly know who is our target market, and also our brand story is very clearly articulated. Roofers in the market know exactly who we are and exactly how we help them. If you want to learn more about how drones are impacting the roofing market, make sure to check out my second YouTube channel called Roofing Innovators, and I'm going to link it above my head. So creating a strong brand involves developing a unique value proposition, designing a professional logo and visual identity, and crafting a compelling brand story. By focusing on these elements, you will create a brand that resonates with your target market and sets you apart from the competition. So now let's move over into the digital marketing space. Leveraging digital marketing tools is crucial for promoting your drone business effectively. From building a robust online presence to utilizing social media and SEO strategies, these tools can help you reach a wider audience and generate more leads. In this section, we'll cover three main aspects: building an effective website, using social media platforms, and implementing SEO strategies to increase your visibility. The first one we're going to talk about is building an effective website. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers. It should be professional, user-friendly, and mobile responsive. Invest in a clean, modern design that reflects your brand's visual identity. Ensure that your website includes essential components such as an about page, service descriptions, contact information, and customer testimonials. High quality images and videos showcasing your drone services can also make a significant impact. Make sure to optimize for conversions. Your website should be optimized to convert visitors into leads. Include clear call to actions like request a quote, schedule a consultation, or contact us. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch with you or to request more information. Now let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, involves optimizing your websites to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Focus on both your on-page SEO with things like keyword optimization and off-page SEO, like things like backlinks. Make sure to identify the keywords and phrases your potential customers are using to search for drone services. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs or SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your website, content, blog posts, and also your meta descriptions regularly. Publish high-quality content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. This can include blog posts, how-to guides, case studies, and industry news. Quality content not only improves your SEO, but also establishes you as an authority in your field. Having a really strong SEO is how we were able to get over 1,000 viewers per week onto our website. If you want to test to see how good my SEO actually is, go into your search bar and type, "What happens if I shoot down a drone?" I bet you that my website will be the #1 response. Let me know in the comment below if Blue Falcon Aerial was your #1 response. By leveraging digital marketing tools such as building an effective website, utilizing social media platforms, and implementing SEO strategies, you can significantly enhance your online presence and attract more customers to your drone business. So now that you've built a strong online presence and attracted potential customers, now it's time to focus on converting those leads into loyal clients. Effective lead strategies are essential for closing deals and ensuring customer satisfaction. In this section, we'll cover 3 main aspects: creating persuasive marketing materials, developing a sales funnel, and nurturing leads to convert them into clients. Let's start with creating persuasive marketing materials. Your marketing materials should clearly communicate the benefits of your services. Use compelling language that highlights how your drone services solve specific problems for your clients. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to make sure your materials are more visually appealing. Create brochures and flyers that provide detailed information about your services, pricing, and unique selling points. These should be easy to read, professionally designed, and include a clear call to action. Having written case studies and client testimonials in your marketing material can also be very persuasive. They provide social proof and build trust with potential customers. Now let's talk about building a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a visual representation of the customer's journey from initial awareness to final purchase. It helps you understand where potential clients are in the buying process and tailor your message accordingly. Then they go into decision, and last they go into action. Regularly analyze your sales funnel to identify any bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Use analytic tools to track how potential clients move through the funnel and adjust your strategies as needed. So to give you an idea how this would work for a real estate agent drone service, your sales funnel might start with social media ad to gain awareness, followed by an engaging blog post about the benefits of aerial photography to gain interest. Then it goes into a detailed service page on your website for the decision, and then offering a free consultation, sample photos, and finally a clear call to action to book your services to secure that action. So now let's talk about nurturing those leads and converting them into clients. Nurturing leads involves building strong relationships with your potential clients. This can be achieved through personalized communication, regular follow-ups, and providing value at every interaction. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads. Send regular newsletters with useful information, updates about your services, and special offers. Personalize your emails to address specific needs and interests of your leads. Exceptional customer service can set you apart from your competition and turn leads into loyal clients. Be responsive to inquiries, address concerns promptly, and go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Implementing effective sales strategies involves creating persuasive marketing materials, developing robust sales funnel, and nurturing leads to convert them into loyal clients. By focusing on these aspects, you can enhance your sales efforts and grow your drone business. If you want to further enhance your skills and connect with other drone pilots, I highly encourage and invite you to join our free school page. It's a vibrant community where drone pilots share knowledge, teach each other different skills, and explore various applications in the drone world. We are also offering marketing classes and so much more. Plus, I do host live question and answer sessions there, providing you with direct expert access. So, the link to join the free school page is in the description below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to become a part of a supportive and educational community. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and go ahead and check out this video where I show you how to price your drone services effectively. See you there.